Hello student, today we are going to learn how heat moves through the air. So today's topic, how the heat moves through the air. Okay. So in this topic we will learn that air help the heat to transfer from one place to another, and this happen when the heat from any source heat the air over an area. So suppose we have a land and the air above this land, this is the air, is heated by the sun. Okay. So this air will heat it and rises up. This is heated air rises up, and when the air rises up, the ground or the area have less density of air, so that to fill this empty space over this land, the colder air from the surrounding, cold air from the surrounding come to fill this gap. So this is the process of convection. On the basis of this concept, we will going to study how sea breeze and land breeze occurs. So let's start. So first of all, let's start with the sea breeze. Sea breeze. So sea breeze, okay. So for the sea breeze, suppose we have here land, and this is our ocean, or you can say we have sea here. So in sea breeze we will discuss that during daytime the air over the land will rises up. Okay, so we can say this is step number 1, and because of this air rises up, there will be some vacuum or space over the land. So to fill this space, the cold air over the sea moves toward the land to fill this gap, and this is known as sea breeze. So cold air coming from the sea towards the land to fill this gap is known as sea breeze. Okay, now this is what is sea breeze. Now as this hot air rises up, they become cool when they reach at a height, and then again they become heavy and they go to the sea breeze, seaside, to fill this gap of the cold air. Okay, so like this circle or this cycle will complete, and this becomes the cycle of the sea breeze, how the sea breeze formed during the daytime. Now in the same manner we have land breeze. Okay, so we have the same diagram. This is our land and this is our sea. Okay, so in land breeze we will discuss about the night. रात को ही आपकी लैंड ब्रीज होती है. ओके, सो वी नो दैट during night this water will cool down slower than the land. Okay, that means this water cool down slower than the land. That means therefore the air above sea is much hotter than the air above the land. Okay, so as a result this air rises up, okay, and to fill this gap the cold air from the land move towards the sea to fill this gap. Okay, and that's why these breezes, this air, this current is known as land breeze, because it's coming from the land. And again, when this hot air rises up from the sea, they goes up and cool down, again they come to the land to fill this gap, and like this cycle is goes on. Okay, and this is the basic of the land bridge. So I hope this is clear. So we will discuss another topic in next video. Thank you.